I'm at the Asian Wedding Show today at the Thistle Hotel with the royal blooms at stand 51. It's been a brilliant experience to really get to bring all of our flower canopies so people can come see them in real life. And thank you, Maj, for helping organise this.
Hi guys, my name's Kix from the Specialist DJs. Been doing this for about 35 years. Been at the wedding exhibition for the last 3-4 years. It's been absolutely amazing. So if you haven't been here last year or the year before, make sure you guys are here next time round.
Hello there, my name's Asad Siddiqui. I'm a director of a company called Dosti Limited. For those of you who understand Urdu and Hindi, Dosti means friendship. Our strapline is Friendship Food. And we specialise in the bespoke chai service, a hospitality event provider at any function and event up to 1,000 people. So this is our first time at the Asian Wedding Show. The first 2 hours we've been inundated with such positive, constructive feedback. People love the brand, the name, they love the taste of our tea, the network and the atmosphere is fantastic, so professionally organised. Highly recommended if you haven't been able to come today, come to a future event. And it gives a chance for us to engage with our potential clients and customers. There's nothing better than face-to-face dialogue to talk to you about your special occasion and how we can provide a service. So yeah, it's been a great experience so far and look forward to the rest of the day.
Hi there, Jaden here from First Class Marquees. I'm here at the Asian Wedding Show today. I think it's a great event for networking, also for potential clients to be able to see everything under one roof. So they've got a lot of variety and a lot of options.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Abdul. I work with perfume inspired by brand. My brand is Monarch Garden Perfume. I love this event. It's such a lovely gathering. It's very bubbly, very vibrant, really, really nice, really amazing. I really enjoy it from the start. I make all the perfume accessible for customers. You have a lovely packaging and it smells nice and it lasts really long. And the only thing, the significance about this perfume is that it's absolutely gorgeous. It's very genuine and it's very reachable and very reasonable price. Have a very lovely evening and enjoy the show. Cheers.
Hi, we are exhibiting in the Asian Wedding Show, Jewels by Core obviously, and we are quite happy doing the exhibition for the first time here. It's a good experience and the people are all around. Just looking for a big busy day.
Hi there, I'm Jazz and I'm the owner of Marichi. We are exhibiting our luxury multi-purpose balm today at the Asian Wedding Fair. It's been really good response, really amazing. People are really happy to see our product here. First time we're exhibiting and really good response. So if you're around, drop by and come and see us.
Hi, my name's Anne Breen from Grand Wedding Cakes and we're here at the Asian Wedding Directory show. We've got an amazing footfall, met some lovely clients. We look forward to meeting all of you again very soon. Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Aman and I am the co-founder of Be Bollywood Dance and I'm here at the exhibition today. I was a little bit nervous but it's it's an amazing turnout. I actually have been speaking to couples. They have inquired about their first dance and they want their cousins and family and their friends to perform at their wedding. So that's basically what I provide, performances or first dance choreography, choreography with the family. So yeah, it's been a really good day so far. I've met quite a lot of people and been busy with inquiries, so yes, thank you.
Hi, so my name's Anand, I'm from Avida Studios. We're exhibiting at the Asian Wedding Show 2021. It's been a fantastic event, loads of inquiries, loads of people coming through. I highly recommend it for anyone that's considering doing an exhibition or anyone that's considering getting married. This is the place to be if you want to find a good supplier, and also if you're an exhibitor, it's a good place to meet other people that are suppliers in the industry. Great place for networking, so yeah, highly recommended.
Hi there, my name's Jay, I'm here from the Dole Company. I'm here today at the Asian Wedding Show, here to exhibit exactly what we're here to do, all our services, our team. We mainly specialise in the wedding scene and we offer Dole players for all occasions and all events. We've been part of the exhibition before and we love exhibiting here to all our customers, potential customers. We love the energy that is created here. We love meeting new people as well and promoting our culture, our services and our team to the wider community.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name's Avtar Tethi and I'm from LED Factory. We're pleased to be exhibiting here at the Asian Wedding Show. It's not our first time, we've been here for all these shows. Really good response. excellent response to our stand. Look forward to seeing you next time. Cheers.